Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 13 of our JavaScript playlist. In this video, we are going to learn about ternary operator. Okay, so what is ternary operator? Basically, ternary operator is question mark and column. So this is what ternary operator. Why we call it ternary operator? We will discuss upon it. So let's see what is the syntax of it. If we talk about syntax, so what is the syntax? Syntax is first we write condition, right? And after that condition, we check whether condition is true or false, like that. If condition is true, means this section. If conditions, whatever condition we will give, if condition is false, means this section. Okay, so let me tell you, okay, with a programming example, so that you can easily relate. Let me read this code. Okay, so let's see what's the mean of it. For example, I have let age equals to 20. Okay, let age equals to 20. Let me write some condition. So I'll say result. Okay, not result. Let me write condition like age is greater than 20. If age is greater than 20, then what I'm saying, true. Okay, I'm printing true and I'm printing here false. Okay, like this. So we have this condition. After condition, we are checking whether this condition is true or false. So age is greater than 20. What is our age? Age is 20. So means our condition is false. Age is not greater than 20. So if condition is false, so which alert will execute? This one or that one? At a time, only one alert will execute. So now tell me which alert will execute. This is the true section. It will execute when condition is true. But condition is false. So which alert will execute? This alert will execute. Okay, let's see what it will print. True or false? So let me refresh it. So what it's printing? False. Why? Because condition is false. That's why it is executing this alert. For example, if condition is true, I'm saying age greater than or equals to. If age is greater than or equals to, but age is not greater than 20, but age is equals to 20, that is true. So means our condition is true. This before this question mark, we check the condition. After this question mark, we write two statements. Here true statement right, and here we write false statement. So now our condition is true, means this alert will execute. Why? Because this is a true section. At a time, only one alert will execute, either this one or this one, right? So let's check. Let me refresh the page. Okay, so what is the output is coming? True is coming. Why? Because now condition is true, right? So that's how this ternary operator works. Okay, so let's see why we call it ternary operator. Because it has three sections. One is for condition, right? And then second one is true, and the third one is for false. Okay, so we can write three statement. First is for condition, second is for like true condition, and second last one is for false. Okay, like that. If we can apply this on three operand, let me give you an example. So we can say let marks equals to 50. So what I can say, I can say marks greater than equals to 50, right? So what I will say, let me say alert, you are you are pass, you are pass. And if it is not greater than or equals to 50, so we will say you are fail, like this. Okay. So means how many statements we have? First is this conditional statement we have, then we have this true, and this one is for false. That's why we call it ternary. So is condition is true or false? Tell me. Condition is true. Why? Because marks value is 50, and 50 is not greater than 50, but 50 is equals to 50. So that's why condition is true. If condition is true, means this will execute and this will not execute, right? So what it will print? You are pass. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so you are pass, right? And if I remove equals to from here, so marks is greater than 50? No. So which one execute? This one will execute. So let me refresh the page. So your fail is coming. Okay, like that we can use ternary operators. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.